Have you already defined problem-solving process in your company with use of any well-known method as A3, 8D, report, 5Y, Ishikawa, but you are still struggling with managing collected data, activities that were done or are in the progress, reviewing if the problem was solved correctly at the root cause? Are you losing too much time with management of your team and solving problems that have already occurred in the past? We have a perfect solution for you that will enable you to digitize your problem-solving process in your company. Advanced problem-solving module from Performance Storyboard program enables you to fully define your problem-solving process and makes work easier for every person involved in that process. You can define your problem-solving process by creating a form in the Advanced Problem-Solving module. Form contains of the steps and elements for each step. Each element requires certain data from your employees. Here you can see that we have described 8D problem-solving process with creating a form. To solve the issue that we had in our company, we just follow the steps that we have predefined in the form. Each step requires certain information from us, so that we are able to move forward. In each step, we can also define additional findings, add images, or define additional tasks. Now that we are using digitized problem-solving process, we are able to track and manage all the tasks that we have defined. APS module enables us to perform Ishikawa diagram and also 5Y analysis. After defining our actions, we will also be able to track the efficiency. APS module enables us to also create confirmation process, so that each phase of the 8D report will have certain responsibles that have to confirm the phase, and each phase has required fields. Now if we create a new case with our approval list, you can see that we have a certain number of phases that certain people have to confirm through mail or through app. With Advanced Problem Solving module, it will be easier for you to solve the issues you have, to manage all the tasks from your team, and to have an overview over all the opened cases. For more information, please see the link below.